This is a song called "They Are Young" by Justin Hayes. That's a Jaden Clark sang it. Yeah,
Second eye. Need to get my story straight. Not Pandora in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My love is you waiting for me. Just a bump of my feet. Been thinking about the sunglasses, asking about the garden. I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget. But it seems that it's something so hold my apologies. I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young.